Hi, it's Luke, and today we're going to be talking about how you can get rolling shots by using camera equipment you already own. Let's get started. Hope you're going to enjoy this video. So before you can get the rolling shots, what you need to do is you need to actually make a rig in the back of your car. So here are the steps that I went through to make sure I had a safe rig that I could use for professional work. So first of all, you need to find yourself a tripod. Now my tripod was great because it was light enough to fit in the car and not too bulky, but it also wasn't too light that it was flimsy. So what I had to do first was get the center column and then shorten it. Otherwise the column was actually hitting the glass in the boot, so we had to shorten the column first. So now you screw the Ronin S's battery grip to the tripod column. So whatever camera you're going to use, it's really important to make it as light as possible. So I decided to use my Canon C100 Mark II because it's a cinema camera and its image is just outstanding. So what we did is I took off my side handle and the top handle, so I made it a very small package, which was great for the Ronin S. So when you put your tripod in the back of your car, you need to find a way of making sure that tripod can't move. I use ratchet straps and I use 4. And I had them positioned in 4 different places to make sure there was 4 different movements that the tripod definitely couldn't do. I had one making sure it couldn't fall forwards, I had one making sure it couldn't fall back, I had one making sure it couldn't fall side to side, and then I had one that was going around the Ronin S's battery grip to make sure it took the weight off the screw. So the Ronin S is attached upside down to the tripod because if we put it upright it was going to hit the boot. So upside down, and then I just inverted all of my control in the Ronin S app, which made it easy to control wirelessly. So how did I control my rolling shot rig? So what I did is I had a HDMI cable running into an Atomos external recorder, and then I had the Ronin S connected to the Ronin S app, and then I could control all of the features. I can make it pan, tilt, roll, all of those features that are really essential when you're trying to get really high-end cinematic shots. So I could just sit in the passenger seat, control the Ronin wirelessly, and see what I was recording with my exposure and all those necessary features. So now you've built your rig, it's really important to make sure that you can test it safely. So we went to a back road so there was hardly any cars on it, and we tested the rig and it worked great. Have a watch of this footage. So what do you guys think? I think it looked really good, considering we were doing all of this with equipment we already had and we didn't have to buy anything new. So thank you for watching this video, and I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, do make sure you like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you made your own rig and it worked well for you. Have a great day. And by the way, this is actually a cup, it's actually got a drink in it, it's not really a 24-105L series lens. I'll see you guys next week.